How's it look from down there?
Nothing's good and we're done already.
Passenger.
What's up, everybody? Today we are still doing the Moab vibe, and we're actually going to tackle on Hell's Revenge today. It's a really fun trail. It's got a lot of up and down stuff, really steep. Not a lot of the rock crawling, but a lot of the crawling up the fins and over the sandstone, which gives excellent traction. So today we're showing Joe and Bug with Goat Off-Road around and giving them a first-hand experience of what Moab wheeling is really like. Yesterday we did Poison Spider, Golden Spike, Gold Bar Rim, Where Eagles Dare. And after 9 hours on the trail, we were beat. So today we're just going to take it really slow, really relaxed, and just have a good day. So hope you guys enjoy it. You guys ready? We're rolling. All right, here we go.
I don't want to do it because if I go up these heights, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to fall.
You don't want to fall?
I don't. Maybe I have some railings I go on it.
We could get a roll cage in your Jeep too.
Why? What is that?
That's what those bars are. It's called a roll cage. In case you roll over, you're caged in, you don't get hurt.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I will do it.
Hey, honey, once you get turned, put your rear locker on, and then just take this line tight and go naturally. Once you get turned. There you go. You got them on? Take a little driver, there you go. Okay, go just like that.
Try to come up this little ledge right here if you can. Or no, wait, he's got you.
Yeah, just go straight, honey.
Yeah. Your bumper cleared it.
There you go. There you go. You got it.
That dinosaur stood here with his feet.
That's too scary.
That is
Go
monstrous.
to the edge.
Yeah.
So people used to drive.
Okay, stay away from the edge. I will.
Give her some juice. Oh, not even. There you go. Just like that. There you go.
You got it.
All right, so we're on the first obstacle of Hell's Revenge, and that other XJ Cherokee that's in the video, they're a group out of Colorado, out of Boulder, and we just met them. They're alone, so we figured, hey, when you want to tag along? So here we go. coming over the hill is an old Ford, looks like F-150, maybe F-250, probably an F-250, but it's definitely got tons on because you can see the lugs.
Sorry, watching that truck is nice.
Yeah, right?
Oh, wow. Those are just like good squeals and squeaks away at this making.
That might be in my future. I want something to build.
That's a 75 grill in there.
Is it? Well, he's got a 91 F5.0 Mustang engine.
Insane. Oh, God.
That's gorgeous. The paint is gold flake inside the green.
You'd be scared to scratch that?
No, and he's already dented up the rear end and put a good big scratch and dent in it. And I'm just like, that's what it's for, dude. But it's gorgeous.
Oh gosh. What?
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 I'm only using a rear locker here because I still want to be able to steer as I go up. Thing doesn't have any roll to it. That wheelbase is perfect.
Yeah, that thing makes it look easy.
Yes, it does.
Nice. Nice. Didn't roll it. Good job, Dan. He's never gonna hear the
Dude, I dig the retro paint scheme too.
So I hear like once you're down in there, you're like kind of committed now. Oh my Lord. How's it look from down there?
Nothing's good and done already.
All right, go off road. Here you go. Are you first gear, front and rear locker?
I am now.
Okay. You're fully locked up?
Fully locked up.
Okay. So you just want to keep on that passenger side, right? And just go slow. You got all the traction in the world. Passenger, 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 passenger. Okay. Now straighten out, straighten out. Okay. Driver, driver, driver. Okay, a little driver, just a little bit. Okay, passenger now. Little driver, honey, driver, yep. A little bit, okay, driver, little driver. Straight up, right there. Okay, little passenger, 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 passenger. Now, there, hey, okay, now driver, now driver. Now driver.
Straight, straight,
driver.
straight,
There
straight.
you go.
Now driver.
There you go, there you go. Good wheel lift, baby. Good job, sweetheart.
Enough excitement for you?
All right, we're in the section of the first little hot tubs, and there's one that I've done in my TJ and I've done in this Jeep last year. So we're gonna jump over there to it, and it's just right over here, and dip down in it, not even tell them about what we're doing, just dip into the tub. You got the wheelbase for it. You're on the right line right there.
Yeah, give her a bump, you got her.
There you go, yeah!
Between the yellow lines.
I am just swinging wide.
Gotcha. A little to your side on the yellow line. You're good right there.
Holy crap, dude.
Ride that sidewall if you can. Yeah, yeah. Turn that way while you're coming up. That's working with inches. Give me a spot.
I think we're gonna back out of this one.
It
Yeah.
picked me up there at the very top when it tilted. That kind of threw me for a loop. I didn't expect it. So, but yeah, it's doable. I'm a little shaken up though. And I think there's a bypass on the right if you need it. Just stick to the hard right and it's a little less of a climb,
Copy that.
I think. All right, so that last obstacle that we went up was called Rollover Challenge. And it's just an off-camber climb. So once you get to the top, you turn and your back tire drops in a hole and it kind of throws you back. But it's, you can't let off. You got to commit. Once you start climbing, you can't let off, because once that tire dips, you need to climb out of that dip instantly. So get your heart pounding a little bit. I've done this, that's the second time I've made it, the third time I've attempted it. So yeah, it's a fun one. What do we do here?
What'd you think of Hell's Revenge?
It was like the best trail ever.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was the best part?
This part where I got to stick my head out of the window on the sand over there.
Yeah, out there?
Yeah, it was so bumpy when I was sticking my head out. And when the big bumps came, I had to go back in. It was so fun. It was like the best thing ever.
Yeah. We're gonna come back next time?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your off-road channel?
Sky Blue Off-Road.
All right, so that pretty much wraps up this video on Hell's Revenge, and we had a really good time out there. Did you?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Super fun?
Yeah.
You wanna do it again?
Yeah.
All right, so please share, like, subscribe, all that good fun stuff. It really we do this for the fun of it and the fact that you guys like to watch it. We appreciate it, so thank you. And if you do think some of your friends would like it, share it with them. There's gonna be a lot more coming. With that, we're just gonna say
Thank you for watching Sky Blue Off-Road.
bye, everybody. Bye, bye, bye. Blow a kiss. All right.